gonna stand against the Lord. I'm gonna push throughout the clouds. For brighter light is waiting for me. Brighter light is waiting for me.
What up, people? This is Gospel Tour with Butle Sbanze. Right now, I want to take you on a tour whereby sizaphuma kancane. So, I'm from airport. She's from phezulu ne-Africa. Yeah, I look like those people was Africa. But we are Africa, phezulu eGhana. So siyamlanda ngoku from airport. We'll be coming back. I'll be telling you all the stories ukuthi kwenzakalani. Right now sisaya airport Cape Town. No, sisaya Cape Town vele. Sisaya airport. Siyomlanda khona. This is the new year 2026. It's early 2026 January. Then if you're watching this video after 6 months, where have you been? Where have you been? So yeah, siyophuma ke manje. Press the like button, comment, subscribe.
Guys,
Yenza yonke into.
Siyabangena. I hope I won't fall from these steps here. You know. Okay. Yeah, we are heading there. Siyabangena khona manje sisendleleni. Hopefully yonke into izawuhamba ngoline. The reason I'm lighting myself, I think it's obvious. I think it's obvious manje. Ngicela nishike lokuchika msiyana. I think it's obvious why ngilight ubuso bami. Ubuso bami it's not. Yeah, it's lightable. I needed that. So yeah, siyaphuma manje. Hey, nazi nemoto ziyangikhanyisa. Yazi ku-vlogger. Vlogging is not everybody's game. Vlogging is not everybody's game. Msiyana, all right?
Yeah, I'm good, my brother.
Elele, I'm okay, mfethu. Awungitshele mfethu, lo nyaka ufuna ukuphathelene mfethu. What are you expecting from God? Yini oyigadile nje mfethu ukuthi uNkulunkulu akwenzeleyo?
First of all, I'm not married.
Awu Nkosi. Uphi lo muntu?
I'm not married. Yeah, I'm looking. So I think it's somewhere caught.
Ufuna ubambo lwakhe, i-rib yakhe. Ufuna i-ribs and ribs yakhe.
Eva makavela.
Uphu Eva. Into not ayishada bafo okrend. Mfethu ngicela ukubuza imbuzo emncane nje la ku live yami uzongena kulona. Awungitshele yini ofisa ngabe abantu becawa bayishintsha nje in the community?
Bayishintsha.
Yeah, abantu besonto.
A few moments later.
Yeah.
Ukujajana.
Masingayi esontweni.
All right. Nizwile ke bafethu, they don't want you to judge them. Stop judge them if they don't go to church. Pray for them. Ungavesana ubajaje. Did you pray for them? Because the judge is God. Uzwile? Random interview. Bese sebhizi ngento ka Eva. Asiqhubekeni ke. Uthi mfowethu kukhona bosokubonile or uthi uNkulunkulu akakusurprise.
uNkulunkulu makwenza.
Akakuvela kusurprise. Hawu madoda. Kulo nyaka
bakasazenzela ezawuboshaka.
Yeah, ngoba kuzikhethela sikhetha ngamehlo wethu. Mfethu. Hayi man.
Esuka kude, imosha uNkulunkulu yenze ngokwakhe.
uNkulunkulu mdali baba wethu singcwele zenzele baba.
I'm gonna stand against the Lord. I'm gonna push throughout the clouds. For brighter light is waiting for me. Brighter light is waiting for me.
moments later.
Is this the guy who wants to get married, lo? Osajampela umama wakhe kanje. Hayi ke, uthi ufuna uEva, usajampela umama kanje.
Eva funeka yazi ba sijamba.
Ne. Hayi ke, Eva kumelazi.
Funeka yazi.
Yo, kusiyami ngiyafota ngala. Molweni tata. Ngomusa sigciniwe tata njani? Amen, amen.
Yazi kanjani? Ngibule ngosoka lo.
Yo. Yes.
I-COVID ungayishiyanga lapha e-airport. Asidingi.
Interview emotweni. Yeah, she is. How was it? How was it?
Abantu bakaMuseveni, they are so good.
Oh.
Your where is place is such a good place. We ate fish, whole fish with its eyes big.
So you did.
Nina nintengela ipise ngaka ye fish. Engaka ngesandla.
Nanges
I get
exposure.
this
Nanges exposure.
out of the ocean.
The best places to go for sports fishing tours in Uganda are the River Nile section in Jinja, Mukhisan Falls, Sense Islands, and the Lake Mburu National Park. The country's abundant lakes and rivers offers excellent opportunities for sport fishing. The most sought-after catch for sport fishing in Uganda is the Nile perch. Sport fishing in Uganda is an exciting and a growing sector of the country's tourism industry. Iceda ukuswima nje.
Iphume emanzini straight. Kamuseveni I ate fish.
Did you see people like me?
No, Uganda, Putin. Yes.
Uganda, I mean.
A lot of people like you.
Yeah.
Go there.
I'm not coming back.
Guys, listen to this. I saw Ulizo. I saw Uramarama. I saw Uramapasa. I saw him. We candidate Paukonyi.
Serious?
And his name is Rama Posa.
Rama. Ekhaya.
Yakhe Mliso. Hayibo, utya imali yethu lo muntu utya zonke privileges zethu kanti akangiwalapha.
Yo.
Liso.
Ngakhipha ama-files.
Nalo nozukile hayibo. Kuthiwa sibaninzi bazosiwe. Kanti kukho abantu singabaziyo benze njani. But anyway, we still love them. We still have a place for them. Kodwa mabagoduke.
Babafuna ekhaya.
Bayabafuna kaMuseveni.
Kokwabo. Fundisa you YouTube lento. This is my YouTube account. Oh, she wasn't ready. She wasn't ready. Okay. Kwenzekile. Yeah. Okay, nothing to hide bafowethu njengoba sekushiwo ukuthi hayi osekuvelile. Expect ke lento nikutholile and more. We still gonna talk more.
Sikhuphe izimfihlo.
Bathi bakhupha ama-file, awuzikhuphile. Aqeda nje ukulenda. Akuwe sasikhathi.
Siyabathanda, we love them, they're good people.
Bafethu bathi uMr Ramaphosa ufamous eUganda, bathi ufamous eUganda uRamaphosa la is a visitor. Hey, bathi bamxhome everywhere.
Uyafumana isikhundla apha. Awuthi silala kasekho kwenza isikhundla esi. Into yabo mos. Kanti nobiza amagama ezinto zabantu. Kanti kuyaziwa uba umuntu alala.
Ulizo kudala uza emva kwam, ndiyayifuna uze emva kwam njani lo mntu ofana nami. Kanti Lizo ayingowalapha. Lizo goduka Chomi.
Uyayithola ku-YouTube the day subscribe.
We still love you though. We still love you because you're a good person, but goduka. Yafunwa ekhaya.
Umxhosa xa esithe goduka. Hayi na ungevayo usenkingeni shem. Yazi unenkinga.
Awuthi go home.
Hawu yabona i-go home i-week.
Goduka.
Yabona i-go home i-week. Goduka.
Nalo Lizo Zukile godukani guys. We still love you. We still have a place for you kwazosiwe. It's fine.
Nizobuya
Because we are
nivakashe.
loving people. You can come and visit us. But can go to get guys.
Ningavisit kuyale.
Moya.
Nizovisita kuye kuza ngala.
Kuti.
Igcwele indlu ya South Africa. Yo, Tiko. Sona saqhubeka siyabangena, we are going home right now. Be with us. Subscribe and share.